Once upon a time, there was a man who had a big garden. He had planted many fruit trees and cared for them till they bore fruits. Now, he wanted to harvest the fruits and sell them to make money for his family. One fine day, while picking the fruits with his son, the man saw a stranger sitting on the branch of a tree and picking fruits. The man became angry and shouted, "Hey, you! What are you doing on my tree? Aren't you ashamed of stealing?" The stranger sitting on the branch looked at the gardener but didn't reply and continued picking the fruits. The gardener was very angry and shouted again, "For a whole year I have taken care of these trees. You have no right to take the fruits without my permission. So come down at once." The stranger on the tree answered, "Why should I come down? This is the garden of God, and I am the servant of God. So I have the right to pick these fruits. You should not interfere with the work of God and His servant." The gardener was very surprised at this answer and thought of a plan. He told the stranger to come down from the tree. As the stranger climbed down the tree, the gardener tied him to the tree and began beating him with a stick. The stranger began to scream, "Why are you beating me? You have no right to do this." The gardener paid no attention and continued beating him. The stranger screamed, "Don't you fear God? You are beating an innocent man." The gardener answered, "Why should I fear? This wood in my hand belongs to God, and I am the servant of God. You shouldn't interfere with the work of God and His servant." The stranger hesitated and then spoke, "Wait, don't beat me. I am sorry for taking the fruits. This is your garden, and I should seek your permission before taking the fruits. So, please forgive me and set me free." The gardener smiled and said, "Don't use God's name to justify your ill conceived actions." Then the gardener untied him and let him go free.